FM104's Push the Button.
With Volkswagen Ireland, Ireland's #1 car brand.
Okay, so can we have number 1, please?
Big round of applause for number 1.
Number 1!
Here they come. Best luck, everyone. This is exciting, isn't it?
Push the button.
That's a no. Okay, give her a big round of applause. Hi, what's your name?
Rachel, you have to be a hairdresser. Makeup artist.
Yes.
Both.
Push the button.
Oh, Rachel, hard luck.
Push the button.
This is Mary Carney. Hiya, Mary.
Hi.
Where are you from?
Lucan.
Come on, Lucan.
Do you feel lucky tonight? Do you feel lucky?
Yeah.
Do you think you're going to win this?
Why not? Why not? What do we want Mary to do?
Okay, go for it.
Another bless herself.
Another bless yourself, yeah.
Yes!
You've won!
You won the car! You've just won the car, yes!
You did! She won! Oh my God!
Everyone else! Give
She
her a round
won
of
it!
applause. Mary Carney has just won.
Wow, well done!
FM104's Push the Button.
She pushed the button!
Wow!
She won the
wow,
car!
Wow, wow.
And she swore at us when she won. Give her a big cheer, everybody! Come on!
Well done.
Hard luck to everybody who's in it, who didn't win it. So, do you have a car, Mary?
You don't have a car. You don't have a car. You do now.
Believe this. Oh God, I can't believe this.
FM104's Push the Button.
With Volkswagen Ireland, Ireland's #1 car brand.